So what's this place called, Ralph?
This is a new open resort. It's called, I saw it in Facebook, CA Familia.
CA Familia.
CA Familia.
Let's go and have a look. It looks beautiful.
Yeah, it's very beautiful for your friend.
Chris, it's called
Za.
ZA Sa Familia.
ZA.
It's,
Za.
it's
Za
located,
Familia.
It's located, Chris, at Pinakwason,
Panikwason.
Naga.
So it's, again guys, it's 25 minutes away from Naga. You need some options. When you come to Naga, you need some options.
Or later.
Where?
You're gonna...
What's that?
I don't know.
Convention. I think it's like a convention.
I think they're going to show us round, which is pretty unusual, because normally when you want to promote a place, they don't want you to promote it.
And,
It's like,
we also ask them how much to...
yeah, to come in, right? You've not asked them yet. Oh, look at this, guys. Oh my God. Oh, we're coming here. Next time we're coming here.
I love it.
This is, I mean, 25 minutes away from where we live. This has got to be my favorite straight away. And if we can get the people who own this some more customers, I'm going to be very, very excited.
There's no chlorine.
Well, it smells like there's chlorine.
Here?
Yeah, because if there isn't, it wouldn't be this color.
But I smell Chris. There's no chlorine.
No, there's chlorine. I can smell it.
Look, smell.
I can smell it. I don't need to smell it out your hand, mate. I can smell chlorine. This is amazing. This is where we're going to come. This is beautiful. You can stay overnight. Look, guys.
Yes, I think you can stay here over.
Yeah.
They have
So we
rooms.
need to know prices, Ralph.
Yes, I asked. Yeah.
They had rooms too over there.
Yes, a lot of rooms here.
Yeah.
It's beautiful, Chris.
Yeah.
I think.
Let's ask these. Do they love it?
They had a nice band.
Ay ate, excuse me po. Pwede po kayo maghapot? Sa inyong window marinig eh. You think you love it, your place?
You come again?
You can come again.
Oh, you love it? Huh? Is this the first time?
This is the first time here.
First time? You love it? Oh, cool. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Natin. Salamat po.
And also nice band Kuya Chris.
Yeah.
Maybe
Live band
sometimes
stand,
we have,
look.
Live band here.
Oh my God, guys.
They had nice
This,
band.
there's so many gems around Naga that we don't even know about, and we're just finding them out now. So when you come to Naga and you say, Chris, can you recommend? Oh my God. Oh, very nice. You come to Naga and it's your first time, you say, Chris, can you recommend a resort? How can I not recommend this? I'm going to treat Ralph
Oh, it's very beautiful.
and Melissa to coming here, and this is amazing. It's absolutely amazing, guys. Let me have a look up here. Cottage 2. So we'll find out how much it costs for a cottage overnight. We'll tell you how much it costs to have one of these chalets, whatever they're called.
Chris, we asked from their office how much cost the rate here, the rooms.
Right.
The-
So what we need to know is how much is the entry fee.
Yes, entry
Right.
in the room.
Then how much is the
Cottage.
cottage? How much is this? How much is overnight?
Yes. We're gonna ask it. Pwede ka na ba? He said that we can ask to their office.
Okay.
All the
okay.
information.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Look at this, guys. Look, I know that I use the word beautiful a lot, but this is amazing. This is so amazing. Look at this. Look. Look, there's a balcony to have a drink and whatever. I would have no problem bringing a foreigner here?
Thank you.
24 hours. Maybe if you pay for 1 week, it's okay.
It's okay, you can
I
pay
thought
for the
that.
week?
Yeah,
No?
it's 24 hours na.
Yeah.
1,000.
Ini 24 hours.
Oh.
Up and down lang. Okay. Buka pa ka mo mas bara-bara po.
Compo. Pero.
They have a 1-4.
Cheaper one.
Cheaper one.
Room. They have a
What would this be for an overnight?
overnight lang po.
Overnight.
Kaya naman ito yung nakatag-tawag is ano.
What is?
Oh, ganit mo.
When you rent this one
Or 24 hours.
for 24 hours, it's almost 5,000 all of
For everything?
For everything.
Right. So, if I rent that for a day and overnight, I get here at, like, for example, 8 o'clock
yes.
to the next day 8
24
o'clock?
hours. 24
Yeah?
hours. Yes, 24.
Oh, okay.
You can get everything here.
Oh, that's cheap. It's cheap, guys. It's cheap. That's not a lot to a foreigner. Oh, this is amazing. Look how beautiful this is. What?
It feels so safe here.
Well, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Look, they've got a little sari store. You can get booze. You can get chips, sodas,
Also, it's aircon.
aircon. Oh, no. Hey, guys, do you want me to treat you here?
Yes.
Yes?
Of course.
Okay.
So let's look, the toilet is very
Very
clean.
clean.
Let's do
We
it.
have internet too.
Let's have a look at the toilets, guys. Toilet. This is male. This is male. Let's have a look. Look. Smell-o-vision. The toilets are perfectly clean. It's beautiful. Guys, I'm not joking. This, I can highly recommend this place. I'm getting nothing from it. I love recommending Naga businesses. Not a lot of Naga businesses want me to recommend them for some reason, I don't know, but
Maybe this is a convention hall.
yeah.
For some parties or events, wedding.
Tayo na to.
Dyan sa may ano. Yung
Tayo dito kasi itong medyo cheaper, medyo barato yung room. Ang cottage, di ba, mga ganito, ano rin?
They also had umbrella, Chris?
Ayan,
Umbrella cottage.
Yeah,
If you want a cheaper one too.
it's beautiful. Really, really. We're coming here. Next time we're coming here.
You can
You want to play basketball? All right, good.
Oh,
this rate here is 1,000.
Kuya Chris, look.
1,400.
Oh, very beautiful, Kuya Chris.
Mm.
Beautiful.
Very nice.
They had, Kuya Chris, oh.
Ano yan, boss?
Taxi.
Ilang oras?
It's like a restaurant.
Ano, Chris? 24 hours.
Hmm?
Yes. Pwede boss makain.
That's cheap. 1,400 for 24 hours, guys.
Inside.
Do it in dollars. Do it in pounds.
Maybe
and see
it's
what it is.
almost, ano, Chris? It's almost, if you do it in dollars, $1, how many you think?
A dollar's like 56 pesos.
$100 is almost 5,000.
I like, Kuya Chris, I like
It is $20.
We are doing this, guys, just for you. If you come to Naga and you want to get to a nice resort, blah, blah, blah. I don't want to recommend a resort and you go there and you say, oh, my, that was crap. I mean, why? No, this is beautiful. I'm telling you now, this is beautiful. Well, you can see it, can't you? You can see it.
Chris, you can get inside so that you can
Yeah,
look the
let's
room.
have a look. Let's have a look at the room.
This is the one.
Look at this. And it smells absolutely beautiful, guys. It doesn't smell, I'm not joking. It smells really nice, really nice. Oh my God, perfectly clean, hot shower. Now you can stay here and just relax, take it easy. Oh my God. God, I'm so pleased we found so many different places.
Thank you, sir.
No, so you're gonna get some foreigners here now.
We can interview her about the rate, about the entrance, all the rooms, about the cottage, about the convenience.
So, if a foreigner comes here, well, if anybody comes here, what is the entry fee?
150 pesos po.
150 pesos an adult. What
Adult.
about a child?
80 pesos po.
80.
Age 3 to 9.
Right. So,
Senior citizen, PWD, 80 pesos.
right. So, if I come here, say 8 o'clock, and I say I want 24 hours, what will it cost?
1.4 po. Check-in time.
1,400. So if I check in at 8 o'clock, I
No
check
po.
out at 8 o'clock.
Check-in time 2 p.m.
2 p.m. in the afternoon.
Yes po.
I check out at 2 p.m. in the
12
afternoon.
noon.
12
The
noon.
other day.
That's outrageous. No, joke line, joke line.
How about the other like this
Cabana.
cabana? How much the people can be there and how the
Good for
cost?
10.
Good for
Good for 10 packs po. Nakabana 150, the big one.
the big
The
one.
big one.
Is 10 person.
Ah,
Good for
10 person.
How
right.
much?
5,000.
It's
Inclusive na
5,000.
po ang 5%.
Right. Okay.
Okay. How about the food stay? Available all the foods here? Can we order?
Much better po may
We bring?
much better.
So what about alcohol? Is alcohol okay? Right? Do you sell alcohol?
Yes.
We
Right.
have store out there.
Right.
But the
Okay.
food is not available here.
Silog meals.
You need to bring.
It's best if you bring your own food. Okay. Okay.
But Chris, when I'm observing all the stuff here, it's so nice and
It's
kind.
beautiful. It's
Beautiful. Because I don't know why some we go they didn't allow to to vlog or to video the food. I don't know. But
well, these people are intelligent. They're
Yeah.
getting free publicity.
if you want if you want a second honeymoon here,
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Not
Thank
me,
you so much.
Not me, Kuya Chris, not me.
Oh,
Ralph will be.
what about you? Joke line.
Joke lang, ate. It's okay.
No, thank you very much, Ate. Thank you. I will definitely recommend this place.
You ate to to entertain that.
Yeah, you have to entertain. Ate, can you do TikTok? No?
I can't dance.
Joke line. So look guys, that's another video. We've got a great resort, right? You've seen it, you know what the resort name is. I can't recommend this place enough. You've seen it, you know it's beautiful. You have to come here, okay? I recommend it. So please hit the like button, please subscribe, please share our videos, and make sure that the notification bell isn't got a strike through it, okay? Support our channel. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Ate is so beautiful.
Oh, she's so gorgeous.
Thank you so much.